Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to share Instagram posts to your story. So let's begin our video. At first you need to open your Instagram application. After open your Instagram application, you need to find out your post which one you want to share on your story. So for that I want to share this post on my story. So for that you need to click on the share option. There you can see on the bottom right corner there have a option share on the post. So I just select it, and now at the first option you can see there have a option for add post to your story. So you just need to select add post to your story, and after that there you can see the post already on your story. You can replace it anywhere. You can type here something like that. That's beautiful. Then you can add more sticker from here. You can add sticker here like that, and now you need to click on this arrow icon, then your story, to select share. That's it. Now go on your, there you can see, now go on your story. There you can see, in this way you can share Instagram post to your story very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.